everyone, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku. This one is a 4-star Sudoku in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday, September the 28th, 2020. Yes, the fourth Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be a number 1636, and I've already counted the printed digits in this Sudoku. The total of the printed digits are 24. If you don't believe it, just check it by yourself. Alright, so let's get started. We see an 8 in this row, and 8 in the last row, so in the row between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 5. We have a 6 and a 5 in this column, so no 6 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 6 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. These two boxes are reserved in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. Let me mark them for you, 8 and a 7. 1, 3, 1, 3. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. That means 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3 are missing. Let me mark this for you. It's a pair within a big square. Yes, alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then one of the missing number in this big square is the number 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those two numbers in this big square are the numbers 2, no 2. We have 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 9 should be there. These two numbers in this row are the numbers 1 and the 4. Let me mark them. It's a pair. It's a pair. Alright. 1 and a 4. We have a 5 in this row, a 5 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so in that column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. 6, 2. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 8. And look, we have the 6 and the 8 here. So no 6 and the 8 in this box. The 6 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you, 6 and 8. So one digit left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square. Here we have a pair, 6 and an 8. Here we have a pair. So 1 pair left, the 9 and the 7 are left. The 9 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. We have an 8 in this last column. 8 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be a 7. 7. Yes, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. I need a 7 here. In this column, we see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Yes. How about the number? 6 in this column. 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the row, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be the 6. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Alright. How about 4, 5, 8. Yeah. 1, 3, 4. Yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. 1, 3, 4 should be here. I need a 4 in the first row. The 4 should be in one of these two boxes. 4. So we have a 4 there. And a 4 here. 3 and 4. Yeah. How about the number? 7. Yeah. Yeah, in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. So no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. A 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers. The 4 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, same like the first column. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Do we have a 2, 3, 4 here? No. No, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, 3, 2. 2, 2. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these two boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the second column, the column between, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 5. 2 boxes left. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 4 and the 3. The 4 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3. 4, 3 and a 1. How about these two numbers? In the second row, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Then 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 7 and the 1. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this last column for the number 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 1. Finish in 15 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku, so you cannot tell about the printed digits. The less printed digits, the more difficult it will be. Yes, in generally, but it could be happen that if you have less printed digits than another Sudoku, you can be faster. It depends if there are a lot of pairs also and the combinations, and yeah, so not exactly a 4-star Sudoku, because a 4-star Sudoku I need more than 30 minutes, and this one I finished in 15 minutes. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the 2 tectonics and 2 binaries. Bye bye for now.